Next story. Get ready for Google's AI-driven search results for all users. In a move that is sure to spark controversy and debate, Google has announced that it will begin showing AI-powered search results to users who have not opted into the service. The new feature, which the tech giant claims will provide more personalized and relevant search results, has raised concerns among privacy advocates who argue that it is yet another example of companies exploiting user data without explicit consent. The new AI-powered search results are generated using a combination of machine learning algorithms and natural language processing techniques. Google's systems analyze a user's search history, browsing behavior, and other data points to generate a profile of their interests and preferences. This information is then used to deliver search results that are tailored to the user's individual needs and interests. While Google claims that the new feature will provide a better user experience, privacy advocates argue that it is yet another example of the company's disregard for user privacy. Critics point out that the vast majority of users are unaware that their data is being used in this way and have not given their explicit consent for their data to be used in this way. Furthermore, there are concerns that the new feature could exacerbate the problem of filter bubbles and echo chambers, as users are only shown search results that are tailored to their interests and preferences. This could lead to a narrowing of perspectives and a lack of exposure to diverse viewpoints and ideas. Google has defended the new feature, stating that users can opt out of the service at any time and that they are committed to protecting user privacy. However, critics argue that the onus should be on companies to obtain explicit consent from users before using the data in this way, rather than forcing users to opt out of the service. The move by Google comes at a time when concerns over data privacy and online tracking are at an all-time high. With data breaches and privacy scandals becoming increasingly common, many users are becoming more aware of the value of their personal data and are taking steps to protect their privacy. Despite the concerns, it is likely that the new feature will be popular with many users, who appreciate the convenience and personalization of AI-powered search results. However, the move by Google is sure to spark further debate and discussion around the issue of data privacy and the need for greater transparency and accountability from tech companies. In the end, it is up to individual users to decide whether they are comfortable with Google using the data in this way. While the company claims that the new feature will provide a better user experience, it is important for users to be aware of the potential risks and to take steps to protect their privacy if they so choose. Source: Less Than Yahoo! Greater Than Next story. Embracing the future, celebrating those defying AI in football. In a world where artificial intelligence is rapidly infiltrating every aspect of our lives, it's no surprise that even the beautiful game of football is not immune to its influence. However, as AI and data-driven tactics threaten to take over the sport, there is a growing movement of coaches and players who are determined to fight back and preserve the human element of the game. At the forefront of this movement is Malmö manager Henrik Rydström, who has gained a reputation for his innovative and unpredictable approach to football tactics. Dubbed relational football, Rydström's philosophy emphasizes spontaneity, creativity, and close teamwork, in contrast to the rigid, controlling style of play that has become so prevalent in modern football. Rydström's approach is a refreshing departure from the dominant, data-driven style of play that has been popularized by the likes of Pep Guardiola and his disciples. While these managers rely on detailed statistics and meticulous planning to control every aspect of the game, Rydström prefers to empower his players to make their own decisions on the pitch, creating a more dynamic and unpredictable style of play. This approach has already proven successful for Malmö, who are currently on track to win the Swedish domestic double this season. Rydström's tactics have also caught the attention of football fans and pundits around the world, who are eager to see if his unconventional methods can challenge the dominant, AI-driven style of play. Meanwhile, in the world of elite football, the use of AI and data analytics is becoming increasingly prevalent. Google's DeepMind project, in partnership with Liverpool FC, is just one example of how AI is being used to revolutionize the sport. By analyzing vast amounts of data, the project aims to create the perfect corner kick, using machine learning algorithms to optimize every aspect of the delivery. While the potential benefits of AI in football are clear, there are also concerns about the impact it could have on the human element of the game. As machines become increasingly capable of analyzing and predicting every aspect of the game, there is a risk that the beautiful unpredictability of football could be lost. That's why it's more important than ever to have coaches and players who are willing to fight against the tide of AI and data-driven tactics. By embracing the unpredictability and creativity of the human spirit, these trailblazers are ensuring that football remains a game that is played by people, not machines. As we look to the future of football, it's clear that AI and data analytics will continue to play an increasingly important role in the sport. However, it's also clear that there will always be a place for the unpredictable, emotional, and human side of the game. So the next time you're watching a football match, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the human spirit, and the coaches and players who are fighting to keep it alive. And if you're looking for a team to support, why not cheer on Malmo and their fearless leader, Henrik Rydström, as they continue to rage against the machine. Source: Less than the Guardian, greater than next story. CEO of Stability AI steps down, advocates against centralized AI dominance. In a surprising turn of events, Stability AI, a leading player in the AI industry, announced that its CEO and founder, Emad Mostic, has stepped down from his role in the company's board. The announcement comes after a series of high-profile departures from the company and reports of its struggle to raise new funding. Mostic, who is known for his work on the popular image generation tool Stable Diffusion, has been a vocal critic of the centralized ownership structure of top AI startups such as OpenAI and Anthropic. In a series of posts on X, Mostic expressed his belief that one cannot beat centralized AI with more centralized AI. Instead, Mostic plans to pursue decentralized AI, stating that there should be more transparent and distributed governance in AI as it becomes more important. He believes that the concentration of power in AI is bad for everyone and has decided to step down from his role at Stability AI to address this issue. The announcement comes at a challenging time for Stability AI, which has been reportedly spending an estimated $8 million a month as of October 2023. The company has also struggled to raise new funding, reportedly attempting to raise new funding at a $4 billion valuation. Mostic's comments last year expressed his amusement at the generative AI company's strange focus on revenue, even as the technology is useful but far from vaguely mature as new breakthroughs happen almost daily. However, his recent comments suggest a shift in focus, with Stability AI aiming to be cash flow positive this year. The market for generative AI is vast, and Mostic believes that open models will be needed for edge and all regulated industries. He also sees significant business opportunities in custom models, consulting, and more. Stability AI's announcement comes amid an ongoing struggle at the startup and follows the news of Inflection AI, another AI startup that announced on Monday that two of its co-founders as well as several other staff had joined Microsoft. While Stability AI searches for a permanent CEO, the company has appointed its COO Shan Wang and CTO Christian Laforte as interim co-CEOs. The departure of Mostic from Stability AI highlights the challenges that AI startups face in balancing the need for centralized AI with the need for more transparent and distributed governance. As AI becomes increasingly important, the industry must address these challenges to ensure that the technology benefits everyone. Sources: Less than Yahoo, greater than next story. Stability AI CEO resigns over centralized AI strategy. In a surprising turn of events, Stability AI, a leading AI startup, announced that its CEO and founder, Emad Mostic, has stepped down from his role in the company's board. The announcement came on Friday night, making it the second major change in the AI industry this week. Mostic, who is known for his work on Stability AI's popular image generation tool, Stable Diffusion, has decided to pursue decentralized AI. In a series of posts on X, Mostic expressed his views on the ownership structure of top AI startups such as OpenAI and Anthropic. He believes that one cannot beat centralized AI with more centralized AI, and that there should be more transparent and distributed governance in AI as it becomes more critical. Mostic's departure comes amid an ongoing struggle at Stability AI, which was reportedly spending $8 million a month as of October 2023. The startup had attempted to raise new funding at a $4 billion valuation but was unsuccessful. Mostic, who holds the most number of controlling shares, decided to step down to fix the concentration of power in AI. In the past, Mostic expressed his amusement at generative AI companies' strange focus on revenue, even as the technology is useful but far from mature. However, his recent comments on Reddit suggest a shift in focus. He mentioned that Stability AI is doing fine and ahead of forecasts this year, with a goal to be cash flow positive this year. Stability AI's announcement follows Inflection AI's announcement on Monday that two of its co-founders and several other staff had joined Microsoft, which led the startup's most recent funding round. The AI industry is undoubtedly going through a significant shift, and it will be interesting to see how these changes will impact the industry's future. Source: Less Than Yahoo Greater Than Next Story. Exploring the Human Impacts of AI, a review of Code Dependent by Madhumita Murgia. In her thought-provoking book, Code Dependent, Living in the Shadow of AI, Madhumita Murgia, the Financial Times' first artificial intelligence editor, explores the human impacts of AI and algorithms on our society. The book delves into the complex world of AI systems and the everyday algorithms that are changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Murgia argues that code is not neutral and that the algorithms that make critical decisions about our health, education, and human rights are not without their flaws. She highlights the Kafkaesque absurdities that play out on a human level, such as the case of hundreds of families in the Netherlands who found their children added to a list of potential future criminals based on flawed and racist data. The book takes readers on a journey from the sometimes comically basic way AI systems are trained, such as workers in a Kenyan office block labeling road signs to teach driverless cars to recognize them, to the unintended consequences of the biases they contain. Murgia argues that we are seeing the emergence of a new data colonialism, where many subcontracted AI laborers are pulled out of poverty by this work, but the wealth created by it is not shared equitably. Murgia also explores the impact of AI on the workforce, from the gig economy workers who are exploited and forced to look at the worst images on the internet so the rest of us don't have to the delivery drivers paid less because their app doesn't account for delays caused by roadworks or having to cycle uphill. Despite the pessimistic note that runs through the book, Murgia is alive to the potential of AI to improve health outcomes and highlights the stories of people who have used their work as data laborers to fund a new life in a new country. She also highlights the stories of gig economy workers who have quietly organized to regain some of the autonomy they have sacrificed at the altar of the algorithm. Code Dependent, Living in the Shadow of AI, is a must-read for anyone interested in understanding the human impacts of AI and algorithms. Murgia's reporting is vast in scope, and her writing is compelling and engaging. She sheds light on the complex world of AI systems and the everyday algorithms that are shaping our world in ways we may not even realize. Source: Less Than The Guardian, ref = abstract.com, next story. Limiting AI voice use in animated TV shows, SAG-AFTRA ratifies new contracts. In a groundbreaking move that could set a precedent for the entertainment industry, the Screen Actors Guild American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, SAG-AFTRA, has ratified two contracts that limit the use of artificial intelligence, AI, voices in animated TV shows. This decision comes after months of negotiations between SAG-AFTRA and the Alliance of Motion Picture and Television Producers, AMPTP, and it represents a significant victory for voice actors and their unions. The new contracts, which were ratified by an overwhelming majority of SAG-AFTRA members, establish strict guidelines for the use of AI voices in animated TV shows. According to the terms of the agreement, AI voices can only be used in limited circumstances, such as when a human voice actor is unavailable or when the use of an AI voice is necessary for creative reasons. This decision is a significant departure from the status quo, where AI voices have been increasingly used in animated TV shows to replace human voice actors. In recent years, AI voices have become more sophisticated and realistic, leading to concerns that they could eventually replace human voice actors entirely. However, the SAG-AFTRA contracts recognize the unique value that human voice actors bring to animated TV shows. Voice actors not only provide the voices for the characters, but they also bring the unique talents, emotions, and personalities to the roles. By limiting the use of AI voices, the contracts ensure that human voice actors will continue to play a critical role in the animation industry. The contracts also address the issue of fair compensation for voice actors. In recent years, there have been reports of voice actors being paid significantly less than their live-action counterparts. The new contracts establish minimum compensation rates for voice actors, ensuring that they are fairly compensated for their work. The SAG-AFTRA contracts are not just a victory for voice actors, they are also a victory for the entire entertainment industry. By establishing clear guidelines for the use of AI voices, the contracts provide a roadmap for other unions and guilds to follow. They demonstrate that it is possible to balance the use of new technologies with the need to protect the rights and interests of workers. The contracts are also a reminder that the entertainment industry is constantly evolving, and that new technologies can present both opportunities and challenges. While AI voices may offer some benefits, such as cost savings and increased efficiency, they also raise important questions about the role of human actors and the value of their contributions. As the use of AI voices becomes more widespread, it is essential that unions and guilds continue to advocate for the rights and interests of their members. The SAG-AFTRA contracts are a significant step in this direction, but there is still much work to be done. In conclusion, the SAG-AFTRA contracts that limit the use of AI voices in animated TV shows represent a significant victory for voice actors and their unions. By establishing clear guidelines for the use of AI voices, the contracts ensure that human voice actors will continue to play a critical role in the animation industry. The contracts also provide a roadmap for other unions and guilds to follow, demonstrating that it is possible to balance the use of new technologies with the need to protect the rights and interests of workers. Source: Less than variety, greater than next story. Discover the potential of Nvidia's iNurses, from colonoscopies to mental health support for $9 per hour. In a groundbreaking development, Nvidia, in collaboration with Hippocratic AI, has unveiled a new range of AI nurses that can provide healthcare services at a mere $9 an hour. These AI nurses, which can be tested on Hippocratic AI's website, offer a wide range of services, from pre-op services and discharge to chronic care and nutrition. They can even provide assistance with health risk assessment, explanation of benefits, ancillary program enrollment, and screenings for various medical procedures. The iNurses are designed to help offset the growing U.S. nurse shortage, which has been exacerbated by the pandemic and the closure of hospitals. However, the use of AI nurses raises questions about the safety and effectiveness of relying on non-human medical professionals. Moreover, the move could have significant implications for U.S. nurses, who have been leaving the profession in droves due to low pay and poor working conditions. The iNurses are programmed to answer low-risk calls, and patients can choose from a roster of AI nurses based on their bedside manner preferences. The iNurses can provide assistance with chronic care, medication onboarding, and even loneliness companionship for patients in assisted living facilities. While AI has shown promise in diagnosing diseases that human doctors have missed, there are concerns about the accuracy and effectiveness of AI nurses in spotting subtle symptoms or providing adequate compassion to distressed patients. Moreover, the use of AI nurses does not address the underlying issues in the U.S. healthcare system, such as high costs and the closure of hospitals. The introduction of AI nurses is part of a broader trend of AI innovations in the healthcare sector. Other AI companies have also entered the healthcare space, offering AI-powered mental health services, obesity treatment, and brain health protection. However, the effectiveness of these AI tools remains to be seen, and there are concerns about their ability to provide adequate care and compassion to patients. In conclusion, the introduction of AI nurses by Nvidia and Hippocratic AI represents a significant development in the use of AI in the healthcare sector. While the AI nurses offer a cost-effective and accessible solution to the growing nurse shortage, there are concerns about their ability to provide adequate care and compassion to patients. Moreover, the use of AI nurses raises questions about the future of the nursing profession and the broader issues in the U.S. healthcare system. Only time will tell how effective and reliable these AI nurses will be in providing healthcare services to patients. Source: Less than news, greater than next story. AI investment set to exceed $13 billion by 2028, predicts media analysts. In a stunning announcement that has sent shockwaves through the tech industry, media analysts have predicted that AI spending will surpass a staggering $13 billion by 2028. This eye-popping figure is a clear indication of the growing importance of artificial intelligence in our society, and a testament to the rapid pace of technological innovation. According to the analysts, the majority of this spending will be divided evenly across three key areas: analytics, development, delivery, and customer experiences such as personalization and discovery. This represents a significant shift in the way that businesses are approaching AI, with a growing recognition of the value that it can bring to a wide range of applications. The prediction was made at a recent Series Mania presentation, and it has already sparked a flurry of excitement and speculation in the media. With such a massive amount of money being invested in AI, it's clear that businesses are increasingly viewing it as a critical component of their operations. But what does this mean for the future of AI? And how will this spending impact the way that we live and work? One thing is certain, the $13 billion investment in AI will have a profound impact on the world. With so much money being poured into research and development, we can expect to see rapid advancements in the field of AI. This, in turn, will lead to the creation of new products, services, and applications that will transform the way we live and work. For example, we can expect to see significant improvements in the field of predictive analytics. With AI algorithms becoming increasingly sophisticated, businesses will be able to make more accurate predictions about customer behavior, market trends, and other key factors that impact their bottom line. This will allow them to make more informed decisions, and ultimately, be more successful. Additionally, the investment in AI will also lead to significant advancements in the field of customer experience. With AI-powered personalization and discovery becoming more prevalent, businesses will be able to provide their customers with more relevant and engaging experiences. This will lead to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately, revenue. Furthermore, the investment in AI will also lead to the creation of new jobs and industries. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, there will be a growing demand for professionals who are skilled in AI development, implementation, and maintenance. This will lead to the creation of new jobs and industries, and will help to drive economic growth. In conclusion, the prediction that AI spending will surpass $13 billion by 2028 is a clear indication of the growing importance of artificial intelligence in our society. With such a massive investment in the field, we can expect to see rapid advancements in the field of AI, and the creation of new products, services, and applications that will transform the way we live and work. From predictive analytics to customer experience, the impact of this investment will be far-reaching and profound. Source: Less than variety greater than next story. Microsoft AI detects cancer, identifying tumors missed by doctors. In a groundbreaking development that highlights the potential of artificial intelligence, AI, in the medical field, a UK-based company's AI system, powered by Microsoft's Azure cloud, has successfully identified signs of breast cancer in 11 women, where doctors failed to do so. This remarkable achievement underscores the transformative impact of AI in the healthcare sector and its potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. The AI system, developed by a UK-based startup, was tested in a pilot program in Scotland. It analyzed medical images of the breast, using Azure's cloud computing capabilities, to identify any signs of malignancy. The results were astonishing, as the AI system detected cancer in 11 women, who were previously given a clean bill of health by doctors. The AI system's success is attributed to its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that may be missed by the human eye. Moreover, the system is designed to learn and improve over time, making it an invaluable tool for early detection and intervention. The use of AI in the medical field is not a new concept. However, the recent success of this pilot program has brought the technology to the forefront of the healthcare industry. The potential of AI to improve patient outcomes and reduce the burden on healthcare systems is immense. The AI system's ability to identify cancer in its early stages can significantly improve survival rates and reduce the need for invasive treatments. Furthermore, the technology can help alleviate the workload of medical professionals, allowing them to focus on patient care. The use of AI in healthcare also has the potential to reduce healthcare costs. Early detection of diseases, such as cancer, can significantly reduce the need for expensive treatments and hospitalizations. Moreover, AI can help streamline administrative tasks, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing efficiency. The success of the AI system in Scotland has sparked interest from healthcare providers and technology companies worldwide. The potential applications of AI in healthcare are vast, ranging from diagnostics and treatment to drug discovery and personalized medicine. The integration of AI in healthcare is not without its challenges. Issues such as data privacy, security, and ethical considerations need to be addressed. However, with the right regulatory framework and industry collaboration, AI has the potential to transform the healthcare sector and improve the lives of millions of people worldwide. The use of AI in healthcare is just the tip of the iceberg. The technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries, from finance and transportation to education and entertainment. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see more breakthroughs and innovations that will shape the future of our society. In conclusion, the success of the AI system in Scotland is a testament to the potential of AI in the medical field. The technology's ability to identify cancer in its early stages can significantly improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see more breakthroughs and innovations that will transform various industries and improve the lives of millions of people worldwide. Source: less than news greater than.